In this video, we'll be discussing end caps. Now, baseboarders are available in 3 different styles of end caps. The first and most common is the closed style end cap. So you can see at the side it's completely closed off, and we know to use a closed style end cap when the copper pipe bends down 90 degrees like we show here. Now sometimes it'll be oriented in this direction, but other way, if there's a 90 degree bend at the copper pipe, the closed style end cap will work. Sometimes, however, the copper pipe goes straight on through normally another wall. So we need to allow that copper to exit the end cap. The open style end cap, again, has a rectangular cutout at the side, will allow that copper to pass through. A third situation, not that common, is when we have a backplate terminating at an adjacent wall. It becomes a very difficult place to access to put an end cap in there. So we have what's known as the zero clearance end cap. Same geometry as the other two, but we have a completely open side, and that will easily slip onto the panel, which will then go into a difficult to access area. One of the unique features about baseboarders is that the end caps can slide out to gain extra length on the standard panels. Here's where you might be concerned about that. If you measure, let's say, a backplate like this to be exactly, let's say, 60 inches, you might be concerned if the 60-inch panel will cover everything, including the copper pipe. Now, quite often the copper pipe will extend beyond the backplate by maybe an inch, maybe inch and a half. If we look at a standard setup with a panel and end cap, we can line up the tab with the hemmed edge at any point we like within this range. So if we end up putting the tab on the outer part of the panel, like we show here, we can extend the panel's range by about 1 3/4 inch per end cap. That's 3.5 inches total for a panel with 2 end caps.